Hi, in this talk, we investigate if Wi-Fi backscatter can replace the rival RFID technology.
The RFID technology has been around for more than 20 years. RFID tags are cheap and battery-free, so this technology is great. But why we don't see RFID everywhere? The main reason is that RFID readers are bulky and pretty expensive. So researchers have designed Wi-Fi backscatter, in which we use existing Wi-Fi devices to read battery-free tags.
In this talk, we compare different Wi-Fi backscatter systems. We also compare them with the RFID technology in terms of throughput, communication range, their energy harvesting capabilities, and scalability.